Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Engineer Sanavla. In this video, I will share my experience on the excavation of foundation, the minimum depth and size of pit, and which grade of concrete should be used for the pit, and which is the best way for the excavation of pit, like by machine, by using machine, or by manually with the manpower. Details about the pit volume calculation and the price calculation of pit. Okay, the variation of the if we use the manpower, the price is different, and if we use the machinery, then the price is different, and which is the benefit and which is the useful and which is the reasonable for the pit excavation, I will tell you the details in this video. Okay, so here is the excavation of the foundation process. Now in this video I will tell you the details of the minimum depth and size of the pits, PCC grade excavation of the best way, which we by the manpower or the JCB you can use, and the price and volume calculation of the pits. Okay, and as you know, the foundation of a structure is being very important. Care and precaution should be taken before the excavation. Okay, so I will show here. See, this is the plot. So here one column I will take, like the pit. This is the pit. Here one is the pit. So here is the another pit. So here is the another pit. So 4 pits should be excavated. This is for the example. So like here is the 20 feet. Here is 15 feet. We have to take the minimum width 5 feet should be taken, and here is the pit size is 5 feet. So as per the same, we have to take 5 feet here width, and then this 5 feet. So the deep is as per the bearing capacity of the soil. So soil is different types of soil is available, as you know. So for the hard soil, the minimum depth should be taken. The minimum depth of pit is 1.2 meter to 1.5 meter. So in this so the conversion in meter to 1.5 meter is, so 1 meter is equal to 3.26 feet. So 1 meter, 1.2 meter is 3.26, so 3.4 feet. PCC for pit, it should be 1:4:8. Here 1 is cement and 4 is sand, and 8 ratio is aggregate. So here is the ratio of PCC. So for PCC, also called blinding, and the grade of PCC is minimum should be M:10. Okay, the best way of excavation for small buildings. either by machinery or by manpower. I will tell you which is the reasonable for small constructions. Let's check out the price. See, first we will go the manpower calculation. Manpower. See, for example, here is the building plot. So this is the 20 feet. Here is the 15 feet. Okay. So here for example we have here 4 pits. Okay, 4 feet. So size, here is the size of the pit is, for example, 5 feet. Here is the 5 feet, and the deep 6 feet. Okay, so here 5 feet into 5 feet into 6 feet. So total measurement is 5 into 5 into 6. So here is the 150 cubic feet. Okay, for 150 cubic feet, the minimum price of labor 12 to 15 rupees. The price variation in different cities also. In Karnataka, the minimum price of the labor is 12 to 15 rupees per cubic feet. So here is the 150 cubic feet for one pit. So here is the, I will take 12 rupees minimum. So 150 into 12 to 12. So for one pit 1800 RS. Okay, so here, okay, for the 4 pit, 4 into 1800. So 18 into 4, so it will come around 7200 for 4 pit. Okay, and for the JCB, like JCB or any other excavator, okay, the minimum charges, a minimum charge 800 to 1000 per hour, and the minimum hour they will take 3 hours. So if in 3 hours, if you take the JCB or any excavator, they will collect the minimum 3 hour charges, not less than the 3 hours. So the minimum cost of the JCB is 3 hours, means 800 into 3 hour is equal to 2400. In 3 hours you can do this 4 pits easily. So in 3 hours the JCB or any excavator can excavate minimum 6 to minimum, the in 3 hour excavator can excavate minimum 6 to 8 pit. So the 6 to 8 pit means, so here 8 pit into 3 hours. So here the 2400. So here 2400 for 8 pit. So here you can save, as per my view, excavator is reasonable. as compared to manpower. So as you know, the foundation is the very important for the being the structure, so very precaution should be taken. So go for the excavator. Okay, so thank you. In the next video I will tell you the soil filling and the plinth beam construction videos. Thank you.